In this tutorial, we will see that how you can advertise on Telegram ads in just few steps. So let's dive right in. So to advertise on Telegram, you have to open Google and search for ads Telegram. Search it and then you will find this official website of ads.telegram.org. You have to open this first website and you will find here this guide of Telegram ads. First you have to start with this login to start advertising. After clicking this, it will show you this login window where you have to write your number and simply click on next. Then it will send confirmation code to your Telegram app. You have to write code here or you can confirm it after opening your Telegram app. Then it will take you to this page where you have to select your account. I will select my own first one and then it will show you this. To write personal info, you have to write your info and then simply save info and proceed. Then it will show you this window that you have no ads yet. To create a new ad, click on this. So firstly we have to write our ad title. So I want to run my ads for getting subscribers. So I will write subscribers and then in ad text. Then you have to write text here that you want to show people while advertising. So I want to show learn website designing and then in the third step you have to write URL you want to promote. So here you have to paste your Telegram channel link. To get it, open your Telegram, open your channel, click on this name on the header and here you will get this invite link. If you click on that, it will show you this sum of options to copy it. Click on this copy link option at the bottom side. It will be copied to your clipboard. Then open this window again and paste your link here. Then scroll down. Then it will show you this initial status. We will remain it active and then you can schedule your ad by just clicking it. You can schedule the timings when you want to show your ads like morning 9 to evening 5 like that, business hours or any other hours that you want. And after scheduling, if you scroll down you'll find here this other information. This is optional. You can skip this and the main thing is this target specific channels. Now here you have to tap URL of your targeted channels where you want to show your ads. So I will write my competitors channels link where I want to show my ads because on that channels I will find my target audience. So I will open Telegram and search for any of my competitor of my niche. But for this tutorial I will search randomly. So after searching it, open its profile, click on this invite link and copy link again and paste it in your target specific channels. And you can target many channels at a time. It will show you this add another channel URL. If you want to add, you can add it. And let's move on to this next step. CPM in 10. CPM is cost per mile. You have to type your budget that you want to spend. So I want to spend 0.5 on per 1000 impressions. And then in daily views limit per users. It means how many times you want to show ads same user. So I want to show ads only one time to that specific user, not repeatedly. So after selecting it, then you have to type your initial budget in 10. Like I will type 15 and then you have to type your daily budget that you want to spend on daily basis. And then simply at last click on this create ad and your ad will be created. And if it's showing this error, your balance is too low, then you have to add funds firstly. To add funds, if you click on that, it will take you to this page of your budget where we have to add funds firstly. Click on this add funds on fragment, connect turn and here you can choose wallet where you want to transfer funds on this ads.telegrams.com to advertise your channel. I will choose this open wallet in Telegram and then agree it and continue. Now if you have wallet, you can simply click on this add existing wallet. If you don't have, you can simply start with exploring turn, which is currency that used in Telegram. So that's how you can advertise on Telegram ads. If you want to know details about how to add funds in Telegram ads fragment with turn, you can watch this video that's showing on right top side or you can find it the link in description to get detailed video on add funds in Telegram ads. So that's how you can advertise on Telegram ads.